Hey guys, this is Pete Rose on the Pete Rose YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about how to make blue slime. Okay, so first
you're gonna need this black tube, so you can, and you're gonna need an empty water bottle with the lid, some pure baking soda, any kind of soap. We have Palmolive original, and a spoon. So what you want to do, put the black thing, if you have one, put it in there. Get your soap, and then just fill it up to the halfway mark.
which is like right. Okay, wait. Okay, so here we are about 2 minutes later. It's like halfway.
Yeah.
That's how much soap you need.
And then you're gonna get your baking soda and your spoon. You're gonna take this thing out. Okay, and with your baking soda, just grab a spoonful.
You should have still had the thingy. I got a miss.
And just like keep on putting it in.
About 3 full spoon?
Yeah. Oh no,
spoonful?
just like four.
4 spoonfuls?
Yeah. And if it like doesn't go down because of the soap, you can just go like this.
Pulse it? Okay. There you go.
Then you're gonna want to take your lid for the bottle and screw it really tight on.
So no goo could fall out.
Yeah.
Slime, I meant.
Okay. Now you have to shake it up. See how it's like turning that color? I'm gonna shake it up until like it turns. I think if you use like a different color soap, it might turn blue or yellow, or blue or green.
Yeah.
My mistake. See, I was like all that. I'm gonna make sure it's all ready. Has dirty in it because some of the white stuff fell on the ground and picked it up. Okay, so after like 1 minute, you need to get like a Ziploc bag or a plate. I'm gonna go get a Ziploc bag.
Okay.
Okay, so then you want to get glue that's in the water bottle. You just pour it in.
Take one.
It's okay if it still some in there. I just leave it because you can still make some more if you watch this video. And then after that, you're going to have to zip it up and put it in the fridge.
And that's how it makes goo.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks for watching, and this video was called How to Make Slime.